there, and welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Callie Queen, and here to show you that kids in the kitchen is a great idea, my mom is helping me make stovetop mac and cheese. This is so good and so easy to make, and Ingles has all the best ingredients. We have everything we need to get started, so let's get cooking. Already in the pan, we've got some butter.
And we have our noodles already cooking on the stove?
Yep.
Okay.
And to help around the butter, you can spin around and help.
So do we need the butter all melted before we put in the other stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
And you have to pay attention because once the butter starts foaming or frothing, you can put in the flour and the other ingredients.
There you go.
Okay, all right. Now we've got some flour.
There you go.
Okay, mix it all in.
So you're kind of making a roux here? Is that what we're doing?
Yes, it's a roux sauce. And what's
Do you want to change that and put some cauliflower in it?
No.
Okay. All right, now what?
Okay, smoked paprika and...
The ground mustard?
Ground mustard, yes.
Just go ahead?
Yep.
I've never made this with you before, I don't think.
So you're going to want to... We're going to put...
Go ahead.
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and put it in. Now we're going to have to let it cook a little bit because we've got to cook out that flour. If you don't cook out the flour, it will taste really gross. Now grab the heavy whipping cream.
All right, we have our...
Like, you can smell the flour cooking
I do
out
smell it. So we have our Larlin heavy whipping cream.
Yep.
Can we just pour this in slowly?
Yes, like a little. Yep, that's good.
Okay.
Then if you notice, you'll notice it will seem like you did the sauce wrong because it's going to like turn into a paste, but that's actually really good. Once you add enough, it will turn to liquid. More, please.
Okay.
You start by adding a little and you can add more and more. See how it's turning into a sauce?
I do. This is looking delicious.
And then, hey, can I take a turn pouring?
Sure, you want to switch for a second?
Yeah, my hand's getting tired. My arms are getting tired.
Can I come over here? Because
Yes.
There we go.
Woo! Round and around.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Just pouring it all in there.
Wow.
There we go.
Okay.
Looking good.
And once we've got the cream in and all mixed up, now we add the cheese.
Oh, this is your favorite part. We just got a block of cheese from Ingles, and we've cut it up here.
Yep. But you're only going to want to add it 4 blocks at a time.
Now we like to use the block cheese instead of the shredded cheese, so this makes for a creamier mac and cheese.
Okay, we'll add in 2 more only because this is a pretty big bowl.
Okay.
But it will cool the sauce off too much. The cheese, if the sauce starts to burn, add more cheese because the cheese will cool it off. So as it's cooling it off, the cheese will melt and stuff. So we're going to turn it up to medium. So we're going to keep adding this cheese. This could take a while. So we're going to get all of the cheese in it, and we'll be back as soon as the sauce is done. So we have drained the noodles. They're nice and good. And the
cheese is melted?
Yes.
All right, so we're ready to dump the pasta into the cheese. You ready?
Yeah.
I'll dump for you.
Okay.
These are still a little hot. There we go. Ooh, it's nice and creamy.
Get it all over the noodles.
Yum.
Leave no noodle unsauced.
Look at that, a perfect side dish, stovetop mac and cheese right there.
Woo! So guys, remember, cooking is a great way not only to connect with your family, but also connect with where your food comes from and have some fun along the way. So kids, get cooking. Thanks for joining me here at the Ingles table.